guys, and welcome to yet another episode of Knock Maths Out the Ballpark with me, Mr. Clark. Today we are continuing on with column subtraction. Now, this is something that always comes up, and this is where it starts to get a little bit more difficult. Now, some teachers will use the term borrowing when it comes to this type of subtraction. I like the word taking, and I'm going to explain a bit more of that in a bit. So we've got our problem on the board, 73 take away 25. Job number one, as usual, we're going to set out our place value. I put my T for tens, I put my U. Big number first, 73, and I'm taking away 25. So 7 in the tens column, 3 in the units, 20 in the tens column, that's 2 tens, and 5 in my units. I put my takeaway sign, and I get my trusty pal, my ruler, which I nearly forgot, and I'm going to draw some nice lines. There we go, equal sign, straight on the line, so fresh and so clean. Tasty, love it. Now, we are looking at the bit that we always muddle up, and I'll be honest, when I was at school, I did this a lot. Okay, so we have got 3 units take away 5 units. And I heard a great line. If there's more on the floor meaning the numbers on the bottom, you gotta go next door. So if there's more on the floor, you go next door. Because 3, if I give you 3, can you take 5 off me? No, you can't. I don't have it. I have 3 sweets in my pocket and you say, I want 5 sweets off you. You cannot take 5 sweets off me. It just doesn't happen. So if there's more on the floor, you go next door. Okay, so this is where I don't like the word borrowing, because borrowing suggests you're going to give something back. We are not going to give anything back. So more on the floor, we go next door. We don't go underneath, we go into our top number. So we go into our tens over here. So this 7 tens, we're going to score it out. We're going to take one of those tens away. Remember that this is 10, so that's actually 70. And that's now going to become 6 tens. I put a little 6 there, and that's now 60 instead. Now I've got that 10 in my hand, and I'm going to put it into my units. Now when I put that 10 into my units, that now becomes 13. You see, I haven't borrowed, I've taken it. Because that 10 is not getting that 10 back. So 13, take away 5. Now I can answer that problem. I do have 13 and I can take away 5, and the answer is 8. I look at my problem, I've no longer got 7 tens, I've got 6 tens, take away 2 tens, 6 take away 2 is 4, brilliant. So 4 tens, and my answer is 48. I've just made my own dreams come true, and I am one step closer to becoming the Beyonce of maths. Bye-bye.